Now, class, we're going to finish up this section. We're on section B now, plotting points. Now, we have our ordered pair. Now, I told you before that X always goes first and Y goes second. Now, we're going to get into graphing on this graph here. Okay, now, this is how graphing goes. You always start at the origin. The point where the X and Y axis meet, that ordered pair, I'm going to write it back up here, even though we left this page here, where you have the word origin, the ordered pair for the origin is 0, 0. That is the point where the X and Y axis meets. So we scroll down here. Let's go back to this page here. Now, when you graph any of these ordered pairs here, they're always in the parentheses, X value first, Y value is second. You always start by graphing the X value first. And wherever your Y value leaves you, that's where you put the point at. So let's go with number 1. We start here at the origin, which is 0, 0, and X is 3. So we go to the right 3. Now, Y is 5. So where X is 3 is, we will go up 5. Because remember, since Y is positive 5, that means we go up. And we put our point right there. So that's number 1. Now, if you want to label this, you can label it based on this ordered pair, which would be 3, 5. You don't have to do that, but some cases we like to do that to signify what this means. So let's go back over that again. You start at the origin. Since 3 is positive and it's the X value, you go to the right 3. And then Y is 5. So you go up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you plot your point. And that's it for number 1. Now number 2, you go back to the origin. Now X is negative 5. So we go to the left 5. And Y is negative 2. Let me scroll up a little bit here. Okay, we go to the left negative 5, or 5 places. And Y is 2. So we go down 2. So this is our point here. So we can write that ordered pair. It'll be negative 5, comma, negative 2. Now we go here. We have positive 4 and negative 2. We start here at 0. We go back to our origin, which is 0, 0. We go to the right 4, because X is positive 4. And then since Y is negative 2, we go down 2. So now, you'll put 4, negative 2. Now, of course, this isn't coming out as pretty as I would like it, but you do get the point with this here. So let's finish this up. This is supposed to be 4, negative 2. 4, comma, negative 2. Okay, now we go to the next point. We have negative 1, 3. We start at our origin, we go to the left 1, and then we go up 3. So, now of course this is supposed to be more of a shaded dot here. So now we have in parentheses, negative 1, 3. That is the point we just plotted. Okay, now we come to number 5. Now remember, I told you X either goes left, right, or stay. Now when X is 0, that means it stays at the origin, but now we plot what Y is. Y is negative 5. So we will go from the origin, we will go down 5 and plot our point. Now, so our ordered pair here would be 0, negative 5. Now we go to the next point. We got 6, 0. So we start from our origin. We go to the right 6, and since Y is 0, we stay at the 6. So that is our point there. So we will have 6, 0. Now last but not least, we have negative 1 and negative 2.5. So first we go to the left 1, and then negative 2.5. That means we go down 2 and halfway in between 2 and 3. So this is our point here. We had negative 1, comma, negative 2.5. Okay, and this is how we plot those points. Now, of course, if you have any other questions, you can always ask in class. Thank you.